What if I told you that you could start clearing your acne in just one day? Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because in this video, I'm sharing proven tips that can help you achieve clearer skin in just a week, starting today. Did you know that most acne problems start with clogged pores and excess oil? But don't worry, solving this is easier than you think. Let me show you how you can tackle the root causes of acne step by step. Step 1. Cleansing routine. Let's start with the basics, cleansing. But here's a question, are you using the right cleanser for your skin type? A gentle, non-comedogenic cleanser is a game changer. It removes dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Imagine this, you wash your face in the morning and feel refreshed, without that tight, dry feeling. That's how cleansing should be. And here's a pro tip, always wash your face after workouts or sweating to prevent clogged pores. It's a simple habit, but it works wonders for acne-prone skin. Step 2. Fast acne treatment, key products for smooth skin. Now, let's talk about targeted treatments. If I told you there's an ingredient that can visibly reduce a pimple overnight, would you believe me? Meet your new best friends, salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide. Salicylic acid penetrates deep into your pores to remove dead skin and excess oil, while benzoyl peroxide kills acne-causing bacteria. Here's how to use them. Apply a thin layer of salicylic acid gel to the affected areas before bedtime. For inflamed pimples, spot treat with benzoyl peroxide. Just a small amount goes a long way. These products are powerful, so don't overdo it. Step 3. Hydration and sun protection, the perfect duo for your skin. Many people skip moisturizer, thinking it will make their skin oilier. But here's the truth, skipping hydration can actually make your skin produce more oil. Use a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without clogging your pores. And don't forget sunscreen, yes, even if you're staying indoors. Here's why, UV rays can penetrate windows and worsen acne scars, making them darker and harder to fade. Imagine having a clear, even-toned complexion simply by adding sunscreen to your daily routine. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Step 4. Diet and water intake, nourish your skin from within. Here's a fact many people overlook, what you eat can directly impact your skin. Think about it, your skin reflects what's going on inside your body. So, start by cutting back on sugary snacks, fried foods, and dairy, which can trigger acne for some people. Instead, load up on antioxidant-rich fruits like berries, vitamin-packed vegetables like spinach, and healthy fats like avocado and nuts. And don't underestimate the power of water. Drinking at least 8 glasses a day helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin hydrated and glowing. It's like giving your skin a detox from the inside out. Step 5. Hygiene habits, the hidden enemies of acne. Did you know your pillowcase and phone could be causing breakouts? Think about it, you rest your face on your pillow for hours every night, and bacteria builds up quickly. The solution? Change your pillowcase every 2 to 3 days. And what about your phone? Every time you hold it against your cheek, you transfer bacteria and oil to your skin. Clean your phone screen daily with a gentle disinfectant. These tiny tweaks in your routine can make a huge difference for your skin. Imagine reducing breakouts without even using a skincare product. Sounds like a win, right? And that's it, your 7-day roadmap to clearer, healthier skin. I know, you might be thinking, will this actually work for me? Here's the thing, these steps aren't just theories, they're proven, practical methods that have helped countless people see real results. Imagine waking up a week from now, looking in the mirror, and seeing a noticeable difference. Imagine feeling more confident and more in control of your skin. It's possible, and it starts today, with you. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tips, and watch the magic happen. Don't forget to share your results in the comments, I'd love to hear your success stories. And if this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more game-changing beauty tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Remember, beautiful skin is just the beginning, your confidence, your happiness, your beauty, it all starts with taking that first step. See you in the next video.